Hello बच्चों, we will do next dialogue. So from here, Zirad, you are not particularly decorative. Decorative in the sense you are not looking ready. Because here I told you, intruder wanted to imitate everything, his style, his dress, his talking style, walking style, everything he wanted to imitate. So here, and Gerard was just making him understand, okay, you are not looking very decorative. Decorative means you are not looking all okay as I am looking. Okay. Intruder know well that goes for you. I have only got to wear specs. No, बोलता है okay, I am looking as you are looking. Okay, means appearance is all same. Only I have to wear specs, and I'll be enough like you to get away with it. So that after wearing spectacles, I will be all okay. I will look like you, like VC, Mr. VC Vincent Charles. Zerad, that's extremely okay. That will be all right. You will fit me fine. Now intruder said, okay, you are making me fine. You are helping me. Zerad, that's extremely interesting, but you seem to miss the point of my remark. I said you are luckier than most melodramatic villains. It was not a tribute to your intelligence. You won't kill me for a very good reason. Zerad now here is saying, okay, you are looking very smart, very intelligent, very amusing, very entertaining. I think you are very smart than other melodramatic villains, and for that only you will not kill me, because for killing you must have a good reason. So here you don't have a reason to kill me. Why you are in mood of killing me? Okay, change your mood. Don't kill me. Intruder. So what do you think? So what now here intruder saying, okay, what are you thinking then? If I will not kill you, if I will not plan to kill you, so what do I do? Gerard, you will let me go, and thank God you didn't shoot sooner. Means Gerard said, okay, you let me go, and thanks to God that still I am alive. I am very helpful to you also, very thankful to you also. Intruder, come on, what's on your mind? Better be quick. This conversation bores me. Okay, intruder said, okay, you talk very much. You are making me bore. Okay, stop this conversation and tell me what do you want. Zerad, your idea is to include the police by killing me and taking on my identity. Intruder, yes, I like that. Now Zerad said, okay, one idea is just coming in my mind. If you want to elude means भागना. Okay, from the पुलिस से अगर आप भाग रहे हैं, अगर आपको और भी भागना पड़ेगा, if you will kill me, अगर तुम मुझे मार लोगे, because and you will take my identity. So intruder, yes, I like the idea. Okay, your idea is very good. I will like your idea. If you want to give me idea, some more idea, please. I'm just welcoming your ideas. Please give me, Zerad. But you are sure it's going to help you. Zerad is saying, okay, which idea I am giving you? This idea is all okay to you. Intruder, now listen here. I have got this all planned. I did a job in town. Things went wrong, and I killed a cop. Since then, I have done nothing but dodge. Dodge, I have written here, dodge means move quickly in order to avoid somebody. So what happened? He told everything, intruder told everything to Zerad that actually I was working somewhere and there something went wrong there, and that's why I have to kill a cop. So because of that I have to dodge myself. So dodge means I'm just moving here and there in order to save myself, in order to avoid the police. Zerad, and this is where dodging has brought you. And because of your dodging, because of your running, because of your moving quickly, you came here. You entered into my cottage. Zerad, apparently you haven't the intelligence. Oh my God. Here. Intruder, it brought me to the Aylesbury. Okay, what is Aylesbury? Aylesbury, it's a place name where that Zerad lives. Where Zerad lives, that is the place name, Aylesbury. That's where I saw you in the car. okay, he said, okay, and Alice Berry, I saw you in the car, you were driving the car, so I thought ki better to, actually I saw you, na, I was feeling that somewhere I look like you, so I decided to take your identity, that's why the chapter is kept if I were you. Actually here intruder wanted to be Gerard by looking, by talking, by walking. Alright. So here's written, you see. Car, two other people saw you and started to talk. I listened that it looks like you are a bit queer kind of mystery man, Gerard, a mystery which I propose to explain. Intruder, you phone your orders, sometimes you go away and suddenly and come back just the same. Those are just the things I want to do. Hearing about you was one of my luckiest days. Means actually when two people were talking with you, so I was just listening everything, I was noticing everything, I was just keeping everything in my mind and decided to chase you, decided to be like you. So I decided to, this is the luckiest breaks, means here I want to, I may stay at your cottage, I may stay. Okay, we'll continue in the next video.